Today I'm in this Lexus 2009 RX350, and I think by far is one of the coolest consoles I've ever seen. So this is like a mouse pad, and you have your button here. And check it out. Let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit. Turn down the fans. You don't hear the fans. Check that out. So let's go ahead and press menu, and you're able to move it just like your mouse. And let's go ahead and actually clear the maintenance log. Maintenance. And here are all the reminders, and we're going to go ahead and clear them all. Yes. Sweet. Just wanted to show how to clear the maintenance, since I do this all the time. And this is pretty cool. I like this. It's very nice. So yeah. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Oh, I forgot to zoom out.